BBQ Pit Boys SHOP. Today we're going to do up a taco pan pie at the pit. And it's, of course, real easy to do. Alright, you're going to need some chili. Alright, you got some meat chili here. Alright, use your favorite chili. You're going to need some cheese. You're going to need some shredded lettuce. You're going to need some cilantro, some diced onions, tomatoes. We didn't have a lime, so we're going to use a lemon. You're going to need some jalapeno peppers. Well, that's optional. We've got some salsa verde. We got some sour cream. Oh man, are you kidding me? We got some more. You know how to make a taco, right? That's all we're building is a taco, right? But this is not going to be a taco pie, which there are thousands of recipes out there, and for some darn reason, nobody uses the tortilla shell, right? Everybody's using their Bisquick mix or something like that. No, this is authentic taco pan pie, and we're using real tortilla shells. This here is flour. You can use corn, right? Either or, it works. Okay, let me show you how to put this together. We got everything out of the way. All right, taco pan pie, right? This is it. You just need about a 7-8-inch pan, right? Cast iron like that. And this is how we start. We just oil it up just a little bit. No biggie. This keeps anything from sticking. All right, cool. Now, we're gonna take our, these are about 7 inches, maybe a little bit more, maybe 7.5, 8 inches. As you know, they come in different size, so you want to get the right size for this 7-inch cast iron pan. And what we're going to do is put it inside. And mold it around the edges, just like that. Okay? Cool. Now, I'm going to take your favorite chili or meat sauce or whatever you like in your tacos. Here we have ours. You can find this recipe on our Martha's Meat Bun video. We do the chili in there. It's a long process, right, to get it right. But you can use whatever your favorite chili is right out of a can if you must. All right, so we're gonna load that in there. Yeah, this is gonna be good. All right, got that. Now, add a cheese on the top. And we've got several types of cheese in here. We've got cheddar, saddle. Use your favorite shredded cheese, just like that. Get it on there. And then, we're going to finish it off with another, right? Just put it on, and you just go around the corners like this. Like that. And there you go. Perfect. Perfect. All right. And we'll put a little oil on top. If you want to use a fancy ass brush, go right ahead, but your fingers will do. And that's what the big guy in the sky made him for. Multi-purpose tool, right? Multi-purpose. All right, pretty damn simple, right? Now, we're gonna throw this in an oven, right? Or on your grill. We're gonna cook it maybe at 350 degrees. Now, of course, the chili on the inside is already warmed, right? You don't want to start out with cold chili because otherwise we could burn the tortilla shell. So it needs to be pre-warmed inside. So all we're looking now is to get this toasted, right? So let's throw it in the grill. All right, throw it in the grill. Do it indirect. And we're running a temperature of maybe 325, somewhere in there, 350. All right, doesn't have to be super hot. And it won't take long to do. We just want to toast up that tortilla shell. All right, let's check. See how it's going? Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect.
A pot pie?
Taco pan pie right there. See? Got it nice and browned on the top. All right, let's put this together. All right, perfect, perfect. Got a little brown on it, all right? Ready to go. So we're gonna let this sit just for a minute or two to cool down so we can handle it. Right there. Beautiful. All right, it's cooled down a little bit. Now I'm gonna take it out, all right? So this is what we do. Perfect. There's your standard taco pie, pan pie right there. And now we're just gonna dress it up, make it look real pretty, all right? So, how about some onion? Like that. All right. A little bit of lettuce. Now you can set these up any way you want. If you're a Vegematic freak, do twice the lettuce, twice the onion, twice the tomato, you're good. Don't worry about the meat inside. Let me take a little lemon right there. Go down with tomatoes. Again, the way you like your tacos, make them up. Of course, here there's no restriction, really, on how much you can put on there, right? You got a little taco, right? No big deal, right? So, take a little cilantro, throw it on the top. Now, you can get even fancier here. We got just a little salsa on here. We'll just sprinkle it on. You got some salsa verde here. Again, get creative. Definitely, if you're trying to hook up with a new girlfriend, you're trying to get a raise at your job, right? You invite the boss over, or you invite your girlfriend over. Trust me, you're gonna get whatever you want. All right, how about some jalapenos? Some of these things are optional, right? But not if you love tacos, see? All right, how about a little sour cream on top? All right, take a look at that. That's a taco pan pie. It's legit. Not one of those lame taco pies that are all over the internet. This is how you do the original right here. So, let me show you what this is gonna look like. Oh man, take a look at this. You can hear the crunch of the tortilla shell in there. You know, and you just, this should feed 4 or 5 or 1. Depends how hungry you are. And take a nice, I do apologize for eating in front of you like this. Reba. This is good. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Where is she? Oh, man. If you like tacos or Mexican food, you got to check this out. You can feed an entire family on this one dish, or like I said, just one. Don't make a difference. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? Lord have mercy. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. I'm out of here, man. This is mine. This is mine. Oh yeah. You're kidding me. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Just get it right in there. There you go. Nice. Cheese. Oh. It was good.